Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on these crocheted hearts. Been making a few of these for projects recently, and I thought I'd pop on and do a quick tutorial and show you how I put these together. So for this tutorial you're going to need some wool. I use this 100% cotton, which I have hauled from Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description below for that. You're going to need a crochet hook. For these little ones I use this hook, which is 1.20 millimeters, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to use a larger hook just because I think you would see it better. So this is 3.5, so that's what I'm going to use for this tutorial. And then you're just going to need some scissors. So I'm going to get started. So first of all, you're going to need to make a hoop in your wool, yarn, whatever you want to call it. So this is the way I do it. I mean, you know, there's many different ways, but that's the way I do my hoop on the hook. So the first part of the tutorial is you're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 chains on that hook. I'm going to try and go as slowly as I can, so yeah, for you to kind of see. So then the first step is to do, this is the first chain you did here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so that's the first chain. So that's what we're going to be working in the whole time, is that one chain now. So first of all, you're going to do 3 triple crochets into that chain. So to do a triple crochet is you wrap the yarn once, twice around the hook. You go into that first chain, so you go into it like, hold on, it's a bit fiddly and I'm so used to not doing this on camera, I'm sorry guys, but you're going to go into it, I hope I'm in frame, like that. You're going to grab the yarn and pull it through, so it looks like that. So then you've got these 4 hoops on your hook. You're going to grab, take off 2, grab again, take off 2, grab again and take off 2. So that is 1 triple crochet, and you can do that 2 more times. So around the hook twice, through that same hoop, grab the yarn, off 2, off 2, off 2, and once more. Right, so that's your 3 triple crochets into that hoop there. So now you're going to work 3 double crochets. So a double crochet is once round into that hoop, grab the yarn, pull it through, so you have 3 hoops on the hook. You're going to grab, take through 2, grab again, take through those 2. So that's a double. So you can do that 2 more times. Then you're going to do 1 chain, which is grabbing the yarn, pull it through. Then you're going to do 1 triple crochet, which is wrapping it round twice, like you did at the start, through, grab the yarn and take off 1, take off another 2, and take off another 2. So you take off 3 times on that one. Then you're going to chain 1. I'm just going to pull that together a bit. So that's your kind of bottom part of your, if you can see, that's the bottom part of your heart. This is the like one side. So now you're going to work up the other side of your heart. So you're going to do 3 double crochets. So that's once around, through there, grab the yarn, 3 hoops on the hook. So you go through 2, grab the yarn, go through 2. I'm going to do 2 more of those. Just like that. Now you're going to do 3 triple crochets like you did at the start here. So that's going around the hook once and then twice, then going through, grab the yarn. So then you have 4 hoops on your hook. You can grab the yarn, go through 2, grab the yarn, go through 2, grab the yarn, go through 2. So that's your first triple crochet, and you're going to do 2 more of those. Okay, so that's that, and then to finish it off you're going to chain 3, so 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to slip stitch that into the center that you've been working in the whole time. You're just going to slip stitch that off and then sew it off at the back. You're going to grab your scissors, and I like to leave a little bit of yarn so then I can work that into the back, and then you're just going to pull these yarns together to close this. And I like to tie these 2 together. And then you can just work that into the back of the heart. And that's it. That's your heart. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. Yeah, it's a lot harder doing it on camera than it is in, you know, because I kind of go at a certain speed and I kind of find my rhythm and what have you. But yeah, slowing it down, I find it quite difficult. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was okay, and I would love to see if you put these together. You'll have to leave me a link to your channel, or just say, you know, check out my channel. I've had a go at this tutorial. As always guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care. Bye.